Why Saudi Arabia is spending their money on footballers blindly? Yes, you heard me right. Saudi Arabia, the oil-rich kingdom that is known for its conservative culture and strict laws, is splashing out of millions of euros on signing some of the biggest names in football. But why are they doing this? What are they hoping to achieve, and is it worth it? Let's find out. According to some sources, the Saudi Professional League has become one of the most lucrative destinations for footballers, attracting some of the biggest names and salaries in the sport. Some of the highest paid footballers in Saudi Arabia are Cristiano Ronaldo, Karim Benzema, Ever Banega, Matheus Pereira, Anderson Talisca, and Ahmed Hegazi. They earn millions of euros per year playing for Saudi clubs such as Al Nassr, Al Shadab, Al Hilal, and Al Ittihad. But why is Saudi investing so much in football? Well, there are several possible reasons for this strategy. Some of them are more obvious than others, so let's go through them one by one. One potential reason is to improve the quality of Saudi Pro League. The league has traditionally been seen as a bit of retirement home for European footballers, but the Saudi government is hoping that by signing big name players, they can attract more fans and make the league more competitive. This way, they can also improve the chances of their national team qualifying for major tournaments such as World Cup and Asian Cup. Another reason is to boost Saudi Arabia's soft power. Football is a global sport with huge fan following, and by signing top players, Saudi Arabia is hoping to improve its image on the world stage. They want to show that they are not just a country that relies on oil and has a poor human rights record, but the country that is modern, progressive, and culturally diverse. They also want to use football as a tool to build diplomatic relations with other countries and regions. A third reason is to attract foreign investment. The Saudi government is hoping that by making the Saudi Pro League more attractive to foreign players and clubs, they can attract more investment into the country. They want to diversify their economy away from oil and create new opportunities for business and tourism. These are some of the most obvious reasons why Saudi Arabia is spending their money on footballers. However, there might be some reasons that are not so obvious, such as Saudi Arabia is not only spending their money on footballers for economic or political reasons, but also for social and cultural reasons. Saudi Arabia has a diverse population of different ethnicities, religions, and languages, which can sometimes create tensions and conflicts. By having a common interest and passion for football, Saudi Arabia is hoping to unite its people and create a sense of belonging and identity. Football is a sport that can bring people together and different backgrounds and cultures. By signing top players from Saudi Arabia is hoping to strengthen its social fabric and national spirit. One of the cultural reasons is to promote tourism and cultural exchange with the world. Saudi Arabia wants to diversify its economy and open up to the world. And one way to do that is by boosting its tourism industry and cultural exchange. By hosting major tournaments and inviting foreign clubs and players, Saudi Arabia is hoping to showcase its culture and hospitality to the global community. Another social reason is to support youth development and education in the country. Saudi Arabia has a large population of young people who face many challenges and barriers in their lives such as unemployment, poverty, gender inequality, and lack of opportunities. By providing them with access to football facilities, coaching, scholarship, and careers, Saudi Arabia is hoping to empower its youth and educate them. Football is a sport that can inspire and motivate young people to pursue their dreams and goals. And by signing top players, Saudi Arabia is hoping to provide role models and opportunities for its youth. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with any of these reasons? Do you think Saudi is spending their money on footballers wisely or blindly? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and for more content like this.